All right, let's proceed. Fusola number 2. But now we start making magonza, but we need to proceed. Why is a NOT gate also called an inverter? Okay, so I'm going to say the inverter. Hii mashida kudi inverter because it reverses. It what? Reverses. It reverses ngati bwenza. Yeah. Because it inverts it reverses the input signals. Are you getting me? Yes. I want to explain a role there. It inverts, it reverses the input signals. Reverse. Alright. Are you getting me?
Yes.
A NOT gate, ma gates amadifusa za truth table. Okay? Tindi truth table ya AND gate, tindi truth table ya OR gate, tindi truth table ya NAND gate. Are you with me?
Yes.
Tindi ma truth table. Ngadakuuza kuti draw everybody ujambule AND gate. Alright? Kapena ujambule ka circuit ka NOT gate. Ndi kuti amafusa so za truth table, right?
Yes.
Now, so akufusa kunena kuti why is a NOT gate also called an inverter? It is called an inverter because it reverses the input signals. Pajano timakhala ndi my input, even if I can have AND gate like that, is it?
Yes.
A and B. We have the input and what?
Output.
Something like this, eh?
Yes.
A input and
Output.
Alright. A komaso bamwe my input, eh? Okay, what am I trying to say? Ngatiregeze kunena kuti input ndizokolola mwina kusalimbikira zokolola zake kudani kulephera.
Yes.
Input. Alright? But not like that.
Yeah.
So this one, it inverts, it reverses the input what? Signals. Kupanga reverse. Mwachisanzo, a NOT gate imapereka kwambiri an output. Not output zotuluka. That is opposite to the input. Opposite. Ndio to zosiyana to the what? Input. Zolowa kusiyana ndi zotuluka. I mean like opposite to the what? To the input. Mwachisanzo, if the input pajatima use manamba mawile, we have 1 and what? 0. Are you with me? Eh?
Yes.
So if the input is equal to 1, imene 1. Okay. 1 aminali on, 0 aminali off. Then if the input is 1 aminali on, then the output makayani 0. Chifukwa kunena kuti it gives an output that is opposite to the what? To the input. Okay, you understand there?
Yes.
Okay, you understand there?
Yes.
Okay, so it gives the what? It gives an output that is opposite to the what? To the input. If the input is 1, aminali on, they would output ikala yani 0. Alright, aminali yani off. Kumanga the input if the input you will see now, that input ikala 0 off, they would output ikala yani
1.
Ikala on. ndiye kuti kujambula truth table yake tikha ndi input A and output. Eri?
Yes.
Ndiye input ili 0 ndiye kuti output ikhala chani? 1. Ndiye kuti input ili 1 output ikhala chani? 0. You understand, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so tikapanga tatendiyanganizeni za let me give you a simple example. Example ya a right system. Kapena kuti let me talk about a right system. Paja timatha kupanga tikapanga switch on. Tikapanga switch on. Eti? On imakhala kuti mene liyani. Ngarabobo, can you go and switch on that switch? Switch on, like on. Can you do that? We have, you see, can you switch it on? Aha. Ubanga kwani, kupitisa basi. Ndiye kuti, okay. So ngati ili on, ndiye kuti pamene bobwe, on itwe, komano, tukandi jani.
Right.
Aha. Umeona bangira kuti nwakandi jani.
Dima.
On.
Yeah.
And then, okay, you understand? You put up, yeah? Okay, now you understand what I'm saying? Yeah. If you switch on, that is light off. If you switch off, that is light on. It becomes the opposite. That is why it is called what? An inverter.
Yes.
Ready? Because it is called an inverter because it what? It changes the input. It changes the input into its what? Opposite output. Yeah?
Yes.
It is called what? It is called an inverter because, can you write that? It is called an inverter because it changes what? It changes input into what? Its opposite output. Okay. Can we go down?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Can we go to question number 3? I will know the state Newton's third law of motion. State Newton's third law of motion. Third law. Wow! Third law. Tindi first law. Tindi second law. Ndiye tindi jani
third law.
Tikumbukile zimenezo, right?
Yes.
First law.
Second
law. And third law. You remember first law. You may able to know the body has a tendency to stay where it is at least, unless external force is applied unto it. Ready? Yes. An object, you have the ability, the tendency can be there to be where you are. That is that. You can be where you are. Yeah, that is that. Alright, third law, when one pushes an object, or when one object pushes another object, when one object pushes another object, when one object